I'm in the squeaky chair. How you doing? Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a wig review. As you guys probably tell by the makeup and this damn shirt. Like I just wear, y'all, you know how I do. I go big or go home. I never just order one wig. I have to order a bunch. It's just how it is. Okay? Bear with me. I don't know when you guys are going to see these. These are all going to be in different orders anyway. And in between, you're going to see some makeup videos, tutorials, swatches, whatever I have in mind. Anyway, today I'm actually reviewing, not really reviewing, just showing off the Royal Swiss Lace Nova wig, which I just got a wig in this color and it's a gorgeous shade. This one is the selfie unit, but I ended up getting this one in the 1B. And if you guys are interested, I have the tutorial. I have the review for the original one that I tried on, the Sombre Peach or whatever one, in this unit. And this is an absolutely gorgeous, sexy, either a special occasion or everyday wig, whatever you want. She is a little bit more boom. This is the SW Lace H Nova, and I ended up getting the shade 1B so that I can wear her to work when I want to feel more glamorous. I'm actually gonna probably keep these in the boxes until I hang them up. But yeah, so this one is the Nova wig in 1B. I already know how she is with. Yeah, I already know how she is with the peach. I love wearing the peach unit, so let's hope that she is the same. I know sometimes when you buy wigs, usually less quality wigs, you'll notice a difference with colors. So with this, I'm hoping that's not the case. You know, this is the unit right here. She's got beautiful waves, these beautiful locks and waves. Again, she is yaki texture, so if you like, she's a light yaki, but she's no, she's definitely got some density to her. She feels more yaki. There's not too much shine on this unit at all. And I think it's translating okay in my camera. It's got that natural shine. This right here is just an amazing brand of units. So this is actually a middle part wig. I like her in the middle part. Go figure. The lace is a soft lace. The parting space is about 4 inches. And look at this parting space. You can see my ring through it. It's absolutely a gorgeous parting space. You can do a lot with it. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back along with adjustable straps, and then you have the tracks in the back with the mesh. Very stretchy, very comfortable unit actually, and very beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut the lace, put her on, and let's see how I can rock me a 1B again because it's been a while. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. You don't need much with this one. She's got some baby hairs, so you can definitely like lay those baby hairs. Oh my God, this one feels just like the other one. The waves are absolutely beautiful and gorgeous and wavy and sexy. This is really pale. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pull her back and just split my hair like I would normally. Don't mind the ashiness of the hair because it's just dry scalp. I just have that thing. It's a thing. It's a look. Now I have gloss on, so this one's absolutely gorgeous. The hair feels amazing. The same as the other one. The curls on it are gorgeous, very glam. This one looks really great as a middle part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shift her over. And I did it with the other review, and normally what I would do, because the ear tab is right here, you see that flap on my ear, I take the wig, I hook it on my finger, and I flip it over. So there's my, I try to cover up the wig band though. And so it makes it more comfortable for me to be able to wear her as a side part. And I do that a lot with my wigs lately. And it was like an aha moment. I don't know. I didn't invent it. Because I'm not going to wear this wig, I'm not going to lay out the baby hairs. But of course, you know, I always take pictures when I do. But I actually like her as a side part. I love the bang. Look at the bang, how it sits on the face. It really does frame your face. It makes you feel glamorous, put together. She's not too long. She's about 16 to 18 inches. She is that beautiful wave She does get a little knotted from my experience with the peach one. They do get a little knotted in the back. Just comb it out, or when you wash them. We'll do a how to wash my wigs tutorial one day. I do get asked that all the time. The production alone is going to be a pain in the ass to do. So yeah, so this one right here, I'm just kind of playing with it. She's really beautiful. I'll show you guys the back. Of course, I'm going to leave her as a side part. Here's the back. Sorry, I can't really get up from here, but she's got a good length. The 1B has really beautiful natural tones of black and brown, like a good mix of black and browns. And a lot of times I find that the 1Bs are refocused. Okay, a lot of time I find that the 1Bs are really dark, really dark, which I don't mind. But this one right here has some beautiful natural darkness to it. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and try to powder her and see if I can fix this right here, because you guys can see my wig band. Of course, this is not how I would wear it on the part. And I love putting powder in the part rather than like a cream, because I find that powder kind of wears down more naturally, and it doesn't have oils that like a concealer would have, and such. So like I'd wear this, but then I'd more likely, with this one, I'd more likely wear her back more and then push my baby hairs out and do something like that. I love her as a side part, actually. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is Nova. This Nova is actually one of my favorite units of 2018 by far, and I totally recommend her. So let me know what you guys think down below. Sound off in the comments. Feel free to check out everything that I have linked down below is everything I recommend wearing with wigs, plus the unit itself and the old review with the peach color. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.